Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This amazing, beautiful hair is from Domiso Hair, and shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If you want a tutorial on how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
Alright, so as you guys know, this hair is from Domiso Hair, and that was its really cute box that it came in. And I'm just opening the hair so you guys can see it. You guys are seeing it for the first time with me. And it comes in this package. It has the mesh over it to protect it. And it also has styrofoam inside the actual cap, I guess to keep the shape. And yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm loving the color, but the mesh is stuck on my hand, as you can see. But yeah, I'm looking at it and I'm loving it, like the color and everything. But the first thing I did notice is that it's not HD lace, which is completely fine. We're going to melt it on our scalp no matter what. But yeah, it's very nice and soft. And inside there are 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the middle and 1 at the bottom.
If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
And again, I'm just showing you guys the lace so you can see it's not HD. However, we will be blending it. So I'm trying it on and I'm putting it on my head for the first time just to feel it out, see what I need to do. And so far it's sitting nice on my head. The measurements are really good. And we're going to customize this. It looks good already, but we're gonna make it look really nice. We're gonna make it, well, we're gonna try our best to make it look like it's coming out of our scalp.
Thing is, say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you. Yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you.
And now I'm just feeling out the hair. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a side part or a middle part. And I'm most likely going to leave it as a middle part. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of feel it out and figure out what I'm doing. So now I'm going to take off the hair and customize it a little bit. I put it on my mannequin head and I put some heat protecting serum for it so that it can protect the hair, because I'm going to customize it. I'm going to brush it back and I'm going to put the hot comb on it. This way it will really look more natural on my head. So now I'm just combing it back and I'm putting my wax stick. And putting your wax stick before you put an actual hot comb is really crucial, because if I find that if you put it without it, then some of the hairs might fall out, just like how my wax stick just fell out of my hand there. But yeah, I think that it's the best thing to do. So I'm just combing it back and I'm putting the wax stick.
I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
And now you'll see that I am just combing it backwards with the hot comb, and it's going to look much better. And this is also a good way of seeing if you need to pluck it or not. I personally don't think I need to pluck it. You could if you want, but it looks like it's already pre-plucked, so we don't need to do all of that.
I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up?
And you can definitely see the difference between the side that was combed backwards and the side that wasn't.
Tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah, come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
And you can definitely see the difference when I'm done doing both sides. It looks like, you know, like hair that's been pulled back for a ponytail. So now I'm going to try it on and I'm going to see what I need to do. And as you can see, I don't think I need to pluck it. I really like it like this. But now I need to change the color, okay? Because this is a no-no. So I take my Fenty bronzer, and this is in the color Espresso, and I take this flat brush and I'm going to put it all over inside the lace, and this is going to make it blend much nicer.
Leave when I need you the most. Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you.
And when I'm done doing that, you can so see the difference. That look at that, how it blends much more. This is the before and after. So this is a really crucial part, you guys. Especially this is not HD lace, so it's really important for you to do that.
Show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that.
So now I take my eyebrow scraper and I'm going to cut the lace. And as I always tell you guys, you have to cut it in an up and down motion so that it's not just like a blunt cut. Because if you just cut it down straight, it's gonna be so obvious that there's lace.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
Alright, and now I put it on my head. And I could add more of the bronzer, but I don't really need to do that. I can do that afterwards. But yeah, now I'm just going to customize it around my ears. The lace is a bit too long, so it goes over my ears. So I'm just making sure that it doesn't do that.
Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that.
And now it's time to lay the wig. So I take my Got To Be spray and I'm going to spray it all over the front of the wig.
Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you wanna run away?
And now I'm taking my melting band and I'm just making sure to put it on there. And we're going to leave it there for a while so that it has time to really set on there and stick.
You stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance.
And as I'm waiting for it to dry up a little bit, I'm trying to do a middle part, so I'm just making sure that I put a hot comb there so that the wig could be nice and flat.
You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you?
So after a while, I take it off, and I think I waited about 15 minutes. I take off the band, and I'm going to try to see how else I can customize it. So as you can see, the wig is laid down. You can still see the lace a lot because remember, this is not HD lace, but don't worry, there's a fix to it. Right now, I'm just taking a baby wipe and I'm just wiping up all the excess glue. And now I'm going to take that same Fenty bronzer and I'm going to put it all over the perimeter of the lace. And this is going to make sure that it lays down much better. And now it's time to set the baby hairs. So I'm just seeing where I want them to be and I'm going to cut it accordingly. You can do your baby hairs wherever you want to do. Like some people don't want baby hair, some people go crazy with baby hair. It's all up to you. And then I use my mousse to set down the baby hairs. You can use any mousse you want. I just have the Herbal Essence one on hand, so that's the one I'm using.
I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
And after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to add some more Got To Be so that when I take off the band, it could be super, super laid down.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body.
And now honestly, I'm just feeling out the hair. I'm just putting my fingers through it to see how nice and soft it is. And you guys, this hair is super soft. It doesn't have any bad smell. It actually doesn't have any smell at all, which is really good. When it comes to shedding, I think I do a shed test soon. But yeah, it barely shed. I think it shed only once when I ran my fingers through it. But mind you, I also did cut the baby hair, so that could be excess hair from that. So yeah. Oh, this is the shed test right now. As you can see, there's a little bit of hair that comes out, and then I do it again and there's barely any hair. And that's really good for curly hair and dyed hair, because usually that's the hair that sheds the most.
Give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah.
Alright guys, so this is actually the morning after. My camera actually died, but this goes in my favor because you guys can see how I do my night routine with curly hair. So as you see, I just have them in 4 large twists and I put my headband over it. And yeah, I just take out the twist and then I just let the hair out. And now and I did my makeup. So now I'm going to take out the band and we're going to see how laid it is. And as you can see, it's super nice and laid. I know there's like a line of demarcation with my makeup and the band because when I put on my makeup, I still had the band on, but that's completely fine. I just have to put a little bit of foundation on top of there and try not to put foundation on top of the lace, but more where the glue is. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Shout out again to Domiso Hair for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this hair. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys next time.
Your body